This is Mogwai trying to escape after a bath. Mogwai. It's okay, Pumpkin. Are you angry? Are you angry? Mogwai. You're being very polite for the video, Mogwai. He does not want me to brush him. Mogwai, you see the brush? You see the brush? Look, brush. Mogsy. Not so bad. Not so bad. This is how hard it is to brush Mogwai after a bath. Come here, Mogwai. Come here. Come here. See, we brush you.